I had some time, so I thought I would make a short video about this sewing machine. This is not one of the pieces I added to my collection. This was a recent purchase by a family friend who had been looking for an antique sewing machine for about a year and a half. She bought it about a week ago and she dropped it off here at our place to get me to give it a once over, give it an overhaul, give it a servicing. And I thought while it was here I would make a video about it. They're not picking it up for a couple of days, so why not? Anyway, what we have here is a Singer 66 full-size domestic sewing machine from 1926. It is a Treadle machine, as you can see. It is in a very nice 7-drawer Treadle cabinet and base. And I did quite a bit to this machine to get it going. Originally it was electrically powered. My family friend did not want an electric machine, she wanted a Treadle one. So there was a motor here on the back, which I removed. I pulled the whole machine apart, I gave it a very good clean, gave it an oiling. I put the belt back on. This is the original belt with the original securing staple put on in the traditional way. I've wiped off all the dust and grime and polished the metalwork. I oiled the treadle mechanism, and I also did a bit of touching up of the base decals, so like the Singer sign here and the badge on the side so that you can actually read it. And then in here is all the bits and pieces that came with the machine. Then in here are all your bobbins and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, the machine is in great working order, so I thought I'd just do a short video to show you how that works. There's a million of these treadle videos on YouTube. You don't really need another one, but anyway, here we go. To get this working, you turn the wheel towards you and you start treadling. So it goes like so. As you can see, all working. And you can actually go quite fast as you can treadle. So like I said, this machine is from 1926, so it is over 90 years old, and yet with a bit of TLC, it works great. There is nothing wrong with it, apart from a bit of, surface grime, like, this stuff here. No real point in removing that. I mean, you can, but it takes a lot more effort. You would have to polish it, and you would have to get out the steel wool and the brasso and all that kind of stuff. And I didn't want this thing to look new, I just wanted it to work and look nice. That's why I really only touched up the worst parts of the machine. So stuff like the dust, the grime, the decals down the bottom, the decoration down the bottom, stuff like that. All this stuff here, all the wear on the bed decals, all the pin rash here. I didn't bother touching that up. I mean, you can find people who do that, but it costs a lot of money to replace the decals and replace the black Japanning on these machines. So I didn't bother. But anyway, I hope that my family friend enjoys this machine, because it was certainly a lot of fun to get it working and to play around with this gorgeous treadle machine. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and thank you for watching.